Mr. Chair, we reiterate our request for OBB personnel to sit together so that we can confer with each other while we are on suspended. Yes, sir. So while we're doing that, sir, can we rearrange the seats, sir, already? Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Ay, hindi. Hindi pa, ma'am. Nag-complain ako noon, if you can remember, in the media, and then they dismissed it. Everything is well documented with documents and videos. And nagsabi ang NSC na national security concern ang threat sa President. Pero apparently, they really do not consider the threat to the Vice President as anything of a concern. So, what kind of country is this? Hindi ba kaparte ng gobyerno ang Vice President? Hindi ba ako binoto ng mga tao? Hindi ba ako ang Vice President ng buong Pilipinas, ng lahat ng mga Pilipino?
Are you taking legal action po, ma'am?
Ma'am, I do not expect fairness from this government. Really, truly. That is the reason why I'm pussyfooting with court cases. We do not expect fairness. Imagine mo, saan ka nakahanap na-admit na yung tao sa hospital, bigla na lang papasok, discharge na siya in less than an hour. Saan ang hustisya dyan? Saan ang hustisya dito? Sa bayan.
Last two questions.
Ma'am, extend po yung detention order
I questioned it doon, kanina. Pinapahirapan pa nila ako. Ano sinabi nila? Dinetain nila yung tao dahil sa due process. Dahil, ano ba yung sinabi niya? Walang due process ang pagpapatanggal kay Gloria Mercado at iba pang officials ng Department of Education. Ano sinabi ko kanina? The position of a USEC and ASEC is a position of trust and confidence by the appointing authority. Ngayon, ang appointing authority ng USEC at ASEC ng DepEd is the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Dapat tinatanong ng House of Representatives bakit tinanggap ni Pangulong Marcos ang resignation ng mga USEC at ASEC na yon sa Department of Education.
Last question.
Bakit nila pinipinalize si Yusek Lopez? Hindi ba dapat nang pinipinalize nila ang appointing authority? Isa pa sir, sandali. Ano po yung sinabi nila? Evasive. And now you clearly see, she doesn't know anything. Mas DepEd po pala tayo. Pero pagdating natin sa OVP, makikita ninyo, she doesn't know anything about confidential funds. So saan doon ang evasive answers?
Last question.
Nagsusulat, penalize nila si Yusek Lopez for writing a letter to the Commission on Audit on the position of the Office of the Vice President regarding the release of documents regarding confidential funds. Bakit mo i-penalize ang tao pumirma para sa isang opisina, posisyon ng opisina? Saan ang justisya dito? And ano sinabi nila kanina? Diba? Apparently, hindi nila alam ang batas. Ano sabi nila? Questionin mo na lang sa korte. Saan kami pupunta? Sa mga ginagawa sa amin. Mismong komite, alam na nilang mali yung ginagawa nila. Sabihin lang sa amin, pumunta ka sa korte. Napakadali na sabihin nila, okay.
Would you put it in motion?
I move that we strike out the word pagbabaltas.
Second. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried. Yes, the Honorable Senior Deputy Speaker is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. It's almost 3 o'clock. The Speaker will address the body before 3 o'clock. May move for a temporary suspension. And then after, we will convene. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Is there any second to the motion? Duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
So can we just ask our guests to please wait here. Natapusin na po namin yung deadline duties namin kasi kailangan na po namin magpapagay doon. Or kung wala naman po kayo masyadong mahalagang gawain.